Oh my god, your Cupid's bow. Your Cupid's bow is very similar to Rihanna's. She likes it more rounded, but because hers is so pointy that it's gonna look pointy no matter what.
Yeah, I mean, she has like the lip that you imagine when you think of lips.
For sure. Hey guys, it's Priscilla Ono, global makeup artist for Fenty Beauty, and I'm here with my girl Ofunne, aka Cocoa Swatches. And we're gonna show you how I got this beautiful lip combo. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm so excited to present to you Fenty Beauty lip liners traced out. Finally, the long-awaited lip liners.
The people have been asking for this.
They're actually built to be like a shade for everyone, so they're very skin tone matched.
I love that.
So I want to like show everyone how we find like the perfect everyday lip liner for you.
Yeah,
So
let's do it.
I chose these two.
Yeah.
It's cold-blooded and browned out. And because you are the Cocoa Swatches,
I am.
We're gonna do some swatches.
I am.
We've got to. So let's swatch them and let's just see what we're vibing with.
Alrighty.
Okay, so this is browned out, and they're super high pigment. They actually have no white base, and normally lip liners have a white base, so this is pure pigment.
Wow.
So you're gonna get that intensity right away. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cold-blooded. Beautiful. Okay, what do you think?
Ooh, I love these. Like, even using two of them together, like, I could definitely see. I already see the vision.
Like dimension.
Yeah.
Yes, I love that.
I love a dimension lip combo.
So we also have the new Gloss Bomb Stix.
All my favorite things.
Oh my goodness.
Oh
it's
my
like
goodness.
Gloss Bomb meets a lipstick. So this twists like lipstick, but it shines like a gloss.
I love that.
Okay, so Sort of Selfish. So we're just gonna kind of like pair it with the liner to see what pairing looks the best. Now this one is Spice. Oh, this one is Spice Cold. Ooh, they're both really good.
Yeah, I love these. I don't even know which one I would pick.
Like one's more pinky, one's more browny.
Yeah, I feel like for every day, I can just go with like those brown vibes.
I love that.
Yeah.
I think that's a great idea. Okay, so before we line, let's pull a question.
Question time.
It's question time.
If you could only wear one Fenty lippy for the rest of your life, what would it be and why? Ooh, you know, if there's just one, I'm gonna go with a classic glass slipper. Just makes the lips look bomb. Like you don't even really need anything else.
I love
that. Everybody needs a clear gloss, a good clear gloss, and glass slipper is it.
I agree. I love that. So let's follow her beautiful natural point lips, and she does that normally anyways. I'm just gonna follow that, and you're gonna see, boom, look at all that pigment. It literally shows up right away.
Yeah, I feel like it's like gliding onto my lip.
Oh my god, do you want to finish? I want you to feel this texture firsthand.
Let me like get in here. Oh my goodness.
Pigment, right?
I know, like it's like pigmented, but like it's still like, I don't know, it just gives the lip the perfect amount of just everything. The je ne sais quoi, like so good.
So I'm gonna apply Sort of Selfish, which I think we can both agree it's like your perfect nude lip combo. Okay, you ready to see?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Ooh, I love this.
So good.
This is definitely like, it's giving like perfect every day. 2 things in my purse, running out the house, like.
It's so good. I love it.
Thank you.
I love it. All right, guys, and that's how you find your perfect nude lip combo. Thank you guys so much for joining us in the makeup room today, and make sure that you like and subscribe.